Hi everyone, welcome back again to my food vlog. So for today's video, another cookies recipe na naman po ang aking ibabahagi sa inyo. So ang tatawagin natin tong cookies na to na Reese's Chocolate Chip Peanut Butter Cookies. So for the ingredients, gagamit po tayo umuli ng unsalted butter. Ito siya. Unsalted butter and then chocolate chip all-purpose flour, peanut butter, Reese's cut into four. In-order ko siya online kasi yung nasa supermarket, sobrang malalaki. So, I use mini Reese's online. And then, white sugar, cornstarch, baking powder, brown sugar, 2 extra large egg, baking soda, vanilla, and then salt. Okay, ang gamit kong peanut butter is Skippy kasi hindi po siya matamis. Skippy peanut butter. Pagsasamahin natin yung Skippy peanut butter with the unsalted butter using our spatula. But you can use hand mixer or paddle attachment. So since maliit lang naman yung ating cookies recipe, so ganito po ginagawa ko. Hindi na ako gumagamit ng mga electric mixer kasi bawas sa hugasin natin. O, ayan. So, ginagawa ko, prepared ahead of time yung ating ingredients, especially butter, para ma-room temp na po siya. Mag-room temp at mabilis na natin siyang i-mix. Okay, as usual, next ingredients is our sugar, salt, and then light brown sugar, and then after that, next is our egg. One at a time yung paglagay natin ng egg. Okay, another egg ulit, last. And then I'm going to add in our vanilla. Okay, that's it. Next, i-combine na natin all the dry ingredients like baking powder, baking soda, all-purpose flour, and our cornstarch. Then, ifo-fold natin with the flour. Lastly, with our Reese's and chocolate chip para hindi po sila madurog. Okay, everyone, after natin ma-mix lahat ng ating all dry ingredients, ilalagay na natin yung chocolate chip and the Reese's. Ayan po siya. Fold lang po natin para yan, hindi siya madurog. Okay, this recipe, no need na pong ilagay sa freezer. So, pero pwede nyo siyang i-store sa freezer and then you can make it ahead of time. Then, pag kailangan, to, then bake. Yun lang po. Okay? Then, magtitimbang na po ako ng around 100 grams each. Okay, let's weigh 100 grams each cookie dough. Pero it's up to you. Pwede pa pong mas mataas kung mas malaking cookies ang gusto nyo pong gawin. So, ito na yung ating chocolate. So, isasalansan ko po siyang ganyan. Nakagawa tayo ng 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, 5-5. Okay, paglayo-layuin ko sila, ganito yung tray ko kasi yung maliit lang po na Hanabishi yung ginagamit ko. Kasi nga, for demo lang, so hindi malalaking oven. So, bilog-bilugin lang siyang ganyan. Ganyang kataas kasi medyo soft yung ating dough. So, dapat medyo mataas kasi mag-flat po yan. Para hindi, kung gusto yung super flat, pwede siya i-flatten pa konti. Pero ako, gusto kasi medyo mataas konti yung cookies. Okay? So, preheated na yung oven natin for about 375 Fahrenheit. Ibibake ko to ng 10 to 12 minutes. Yan. Okay, everyone. After 12 minutes of baking for our Reese chocolate chip peanut butter cookies, ito na siya. So, pag nakikita nyo ang inyong cookies na medyo irregular yung shape at gusto nyo medyo perfect, gamit kayo ng ring mold. Ikot-ikot lang po siyang ganyan para kahit papaano, makorek po yung shape niya. Ayan. Okay? So, ganyan lang po. So, you can add on top extra Reese's. Pero palamigin ko muna kasi medyo mainit. Hindi naman totally. Palamigin natin konti para hindi ma-melt yung Reese's na ilalagay natin on top. Okay, everyone. Ayan po. Yung init niya parang body temp natin. So, maglalagay ako ng Reese's on top. Yan. Pan lang po naman to, optional, okay? Ayan. So, you can, pwede din kayo maglagay ng chocolate na na-melt para ipatong yung Reese. Para dumikit po siya. Pero optional po yon. It's up to you. And that's it. The long wait is over. Ito na yung ating Reese chocolate chip peanut butter cookies. Ito po siya. So, look at it. Sobrang moist and then it looks chewy. So, hahatiin ko siya. Yan po yung loob because of the peanut butter na nilagay natin. Okay? Hope you like it. Until my next video.